Hi, here we have let ABCD be a parallelogram such that the coordinates of the three vertices ABC, coordinates of its three vertices ABC are this and this respectively. Then the coordinates of the vertex D are what? Now here, since we are already given that ABCD is a parallelogram, that means vertex A is adjacent to B, which is adjacent to C, which is adjacent to D. If we were not given that ABCD is a parallelogram, if we were simply given that the three vertices of a parallelogram are this. Now if these were the three vertices, then I would not have known that these two are adjacent or these two are adjacent. Then we would have had to make cases, but we won't have to do it here because we know A is adjacent to B, which is adjacent to C, which is adjacent to D. So let's draw a parallelogram. This is parallelogram ABCD. Coordinates of A are 1, 1, for B it is 3, 4, for C it is -2, 8, and let's say the coordinates for point D are x, y. Okay. Now we have to figure out the value of x, y as in the coordinates of vertex D. Now there is a very simple property for parallelogram. In a parallelogram, the diagonals, they bisect each other. So if you join AC and if you join BD, the midpoint of AC will be same as the midpoint of BD because they bisect each other. Okay. So now what is the midpoint of AC? The midpoint of AC will be 1 plus -2/2. The x coordinate of AC will be 1 plus -2/2, which should also be, considering the x coordinate, which should also be the midpoint of the x coordinate of B and D. So we have 1 plus -2/2, the x coordinate of the midpoint will be equal to x coordinate of the midpoint of BD, 3 plus x/2. Okay. So we have by 2 cancels out, 1 minus 2 is -1, which is equal to 3 plus x, hence x is equal to -1 minus 3, which is -4. So the x coordinate of point D is -4, and if you look at the options, the only option is C. So that has to be the correct answer. You need not even check for y coordinate, since there is no other answer possible. None of these is not there in the options, right? But even if you have to check for y coordinate, the y coordinate of midpoint of A and C will be 1 plus 8/9, which should be equal to the y coordinate of midpoint of B and D, which is y plus 4/2. This is 1 plus 8/2, which is equal to y plus 4/2. Again 2 cancels out. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. So y is equal to 5. Hence option C here is the right answer. Okay. So that's it for this question.